If you've been suffering from sciatica and you want some immediate at-home relief, today I want to go through one of the tools that we've guided for people to use to help reduce the pain that they've been experiencing. Hi, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to remove blockages from their health for the last 20 years to lead amazing, fantastic lives. If you like tips on how to do that, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're constantly sharing information to help you live an amazing, fantastic life. Now, for today, what we're going to wind up doing is giving you one of the tips that I've had success with many people on in removing problems that they've had with sciatica. So if you don't know what sciatica is, that's typically a pain that starts across the glute and goes all the way down your leg. Radicular pain, numbness, and tingling. It can stem from an impingement within a muscle group here or from something in your lower back. So with any of this, if you have problems with this for greater than 3 days, I always recommend for you to get to a corrective chiropractor. If you don't know where to find one, go ahead and write down below. We'll do our best to find one where you are or help you with getting solutions for your next step. Now, for this little technique, I like to use our ball here. So I borrowed this from my son and from some of our pediatric patients when they come to the office. They like to chase it around. This one's kind of neat. It glows in the dark, but what we're looking for is for it to be a firm ball. Now what you're going to wind up doing with this is you're going to wind up looking for a firm surface to wind up either sitting on or laying down on, and you're going to look to put this right underneath that area where I was showing you, and you're going to wind up rolling back and forth sideways on it. So my hips are going side to side so that this ball winds up rolling right along this point right here. We're trying to mimic where the piriformis muscle group is. This can wind up helping take a lot of pressure off those nerves going down to your leg to help you feel a lot better. Also, what I want to do is let you know that in below, we've got a link to one of our greatest tools that we've created. It's 5 steps to help you get a good night's sleep with sciatica. So there's a few more tips in there that you can use to help make sure that you're getting a good night's sleep, even if you're having problems with sciatica. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin. I want to thank you for letting me be a part of your health.